Hello, my name's Norman. I qualified as an accountant with CIMA and have contracted as a VBA developer programmer for over 30 years. My speciality is automating Excel reporting with Microsoft Office in finance departments. As I understand both sides, finance and programming, I have a big advantage. I know what you want, I know why you want it, and I know how to deliver it. And I know what you want at the moment. You want AI. Why do you want AI? Because it's the future. How are you going to deliver AI? You're going to watch this video and learn the basics. What is AI and how will it affect you as an accountant reporting with Excel? As you already know, the acronym AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It's defined as technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities. So how will this affect you? It will allow you access to a combination of the best brains who have ever used Microsoft Office, the best of the best, but only if you give it the right instructions. The version of AI I use is ChatGPT. This video will describe the main aspects of it. I'm going to explain how it works by running through the report producing process. These are the main stages: gather and collate data, verify data, process data and produce reports, review and amend reports, distribute reports. 4 of these 5 processes can be fully automated using AI. The 5th needs manual intervention. How are you going to automate the processes? By using macros. But you don't know how to write macros. If you can write the manual steps needed to do these tasks, ChatGPT will write the macros for you. Let's compare some manual actions with ChatGPT instructions. Let's look at gather and collate data. On the left, the manual actions. On the right, the ChatGPT instructions. The first manual action is open directory XYZ containing the workbook. The ChatGPT instruction is open directory path XYZ. The second manual action is open workbook abc.xlsx. And the ChatGPT instruction is identical. The third manual action is manually navigate to sheet UK sales. The ChatGPT instruction is select sheet UK sales. I'm going to stop at this point. Not much difference is there. All you have to do is write the instructions and paste them to ChatGPT. Here is an example of the code ChatGPT produces for opening the directory. It even puts in notes to explain what the code means. More detailed explanations will of course be given in our online sessions. I've developed a template to help you. And remember, once a macro is written, it's permanent and can be used again and again. There are other ways ChatGPT will help you. ChatGPT does the following when instructions are submitted. It repeats the instructions word for word. It tells you what it thinks you want it to do. It lists the steps to insert the macro in Excel. It writes the VBA macro code. And finally, it explains how to run the macro. It does it all for you. If you're not familiar with macros, do what you did when you started with formulas. Start small and build up. Where do you go from here? I can teach you the essentials of writing macros with ChatGPT in less than 60 minutes, online. Remember what I said at the beginning. I know both sides, finance and programming. I know what you want, I know why you want it, and I know how to deliver it. I run online seminars for companies. In these, I look at your data and solve your problems. I also run seminars for individuals wishing to get up to scratch with AI. So contact me by email norman@qheader.com and by text 07840 212 435. Thanks for watching. See you soon.